Turning now to the economy and the real estate market here at home. New numbers tonight show home prices rising at the fastest pace since '06, when we were at the peak of the housing bubble. This is a big change. It may sound like good news if you're thinking of selling, but buyers, especially first-timers, are increasingly finding themselves in a squeeze. Diana Olick from CNBC is with us tonight from Washington. Diana, good evening.
Good evening, Brian. You know, for the past 7 years, home ownership in America has been falling steadily. But as housing finds new life again, the dream of home ownership is edging back, and potential home buyers are waking up.
So this is the place.
Newlyweds Brian and Allie Earl are ready to buy their first home in Alexandria, Virginia.
This is actually pretty spacious, too.
With the housing market now in recovery, renting just doesn't add up.
We've probably gone up 25% in rent. So at this point, the price that we're paying for rent, we could be doing on a mortgage.
Near record low mortgage rates, job growth, and a drop in distressed properties has more Americans encouraged about housing. A new CNBC survey finds 79% now say owning a home is an essential part of the American dream, a 3-year high. Those who say it's better to own than rent also grew to 69%. This newfound excitement is hindered by a severe shortage of homes for sale nationwide, down 19% from a year ago. Go local and the drops are more dramatic in Boston, Houston, Denver, and Seattle. In the Atlanta area, where home listings are down almost 40%,
all of these are the 4-bedroom and 5-bedroom homes.
Leah Wilson Jacobs, a married nurse and mother, has put in 30 offers for homes in the $100,000 range.
I usually bid about $2,500 to $3,000 over asking price, and each time we've been outbid.
In formerly hard-hit Las Vegas, big money investors are buying everything in sight.
There's at least 10,000 individual primary homeowners that are put on the sidelines because the hedge funds are coming in and absorbing the assets.
Investors largely pay with cash, and it shows. All cash sales rose to more than 1/3 of the market in February.
Would this be enough space for you? Just enough.
As new listings are added for spring, regular buyers like the Earls, who are pre-approved for a mortgage, are losing out. In Alexandria, there are just 255 homes for sale, a 31% drop from a year ago.
We really have to be on top of the game and be willing to drop everything and go run and check out a house, or it'll be gone.
Investors have been pushing home prices higher faster than expected. But the higher prices get, the more investors may get out because they won't be able to find such great bargains anymore. That, in turn, will let regular buyers back in, even if they do have to pay a little more to own. Brian?
Diana Olick in front of an available property in D.C. tonight. Diana, thanks.